This story appears in the February 28, 2018 issue of Forbes. Subscribe Changpeng, CZ, Zhao crypto net worth. $1.10 billion $2 billion asterisk 7 months ago Binance didn't exist. Since then, its 1.4 million transactions per second capability have attracted 6 million users, making it the world's largest crypto exchange. No decentralized exchange today can handle our volume, and none are as secure as we are, says its founder, Changpeng Zhao, known as CZ. The market seems to buy it. Since its July initial coin offering, a Binance token BNB has soared from about 10 cents to $13, giving it a market capitalization of $1.3 billion. Zhao, 41, who wears a black hoodie, like some cross between Mark Zuckerberg and Steve Jobs, also owns the biggest stake in the coins. The man whose only indulgence is mobile phones, he owns 3, sold his house in Shanghai in 2014 to go all in on Bitcoin and doesn't own any cars, yachts nor fancy watches. Among the crypto rich, Zhao falls squarely in the builder camp. CZ was born in Jiangsu, China. Both of his parents were educators. His father, a professor, was labeled a pro-bourgeois intellect, and temporarily exiled shortly after CZ was born. The family eventually emigrated to Vancouver, Canada, in the late 1980s. As a teenager, CZ pitched in to cover the household expenses, flipping burgers at McDonald's and working overnight shifts at a gas station. After studying computer science at Montreal's McGill University, Zhao spent time in both Tokyo and New York, first building a system for matching trade orders on the Tokyo Stock Exchange and then, at Bloomberg's Tradebook where he developed software for futures trading. But even after the 27-year-old coding whiz was promoted 3 times in less than 2 years to manage teams in New Jersey, London and Tokyo, Zhao became impatient. So in 2005 he quit and moved to Shanghai to start his Fusion Systems, a company known for building some of the fastest high-frequency trading systems for brokers. Then, in 2013, Zhao learned about Bitcoin from a venture capitalist with whom he played poker. He began bouncing around prominent crypto projects. He joined Blockchain.info as the 3rd member of the cryptocurrency wallets team. As head of development for 8 months, he worked closely with well-known Bitcoin evangelists like Roger Ver and Ben Reeves. He also worked at OKCoin as Chief Technology Officer for less than a year, a platform for spot trading between fiat and digital assets. All the while, Zhao was thinking about starting his own pure-play digital asset exchange that would not touch fiat currencies. Without the connection to financial institutions, the risks and regulatory complications that his former colleague Ver warned him about would be lower. But it wasn't until last year when the ICO boom gained steam and volume began to soar, that he decided to make his move.